Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the crashing and loading issues with Schedule 1 on Steam. So this process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So let's start with the simplest and the most effective solution directly within Steam. Simply restart everything. Completely exit Steam by right-clicking on the Hidden Icons folder right over here, and then simply right-click on the Steam icon. Click on Exit Steam, then restart your entire PC. This can clear up temporary memory and might even be able to fix glitches. Now, the next step is a crucial one. It forces Steam to check if any files are corrupted or missing. So what you'll do is open your Steam, go to Properties, then click on Installed Files. Over here, you will have the option to verify integrity of game files. Click on this option, and this will verify and fix any type of corrupted or missing files in your game. Depending on the size of the game, it will take some time, so wait for it patiently. The next thing that you can do is you can directly disable the Steam overlay. So the Steam overlay can sometimes cause conflicts and performance issues even on high-end PCs. So what you do is in the same Properties panel, go to Properties, then over here in the General tab, you will be able to see the Enable Steam Overlay option. Just simply disable this option just like this, and now once you've done that, simply close Steam and restart your computer. Now, even after the restart, if the issue still persists, try running it as an administrator. So go back to Steam, go to your library, then go to your game, click on Properties, click on Installed Files, then click on the Browse option wherever your game is saved. Then the file location of that game will appear in front of you. Over there, you should be able to see the launcher of that game. Right-click on it, then simply click on Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab, and over here, select the option Run this program as an administrator, and select OK. Now try to start the game and see if the issue is fixed or not. Now, there are a few more settings that you should do. First, what you should do is update your graphics drivers because sometimes they can also cause game crashes. So what you do is right-click on your Start menu and click on Device Manager. And over here, this panel will appear, and just simply open the display adapters. Then whatever type of graphics driver you have over here, it may be NVIDIA or AMD, right-click on it, then select Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically for drivers, and if you have any type of update, it'll start the update automatically. And I even highly recommend using the official software, like NVIDIA software, to download the latest version of the update. For example, in AMD software, go to the Driver and Software section and check for the latest update and see if you're up to date or not. And lastly, just simply go to your Start menu, then Settings, and then go to Windows Update and see if there are any type of updates or not. And if there are, simply update to the latest version of Windows and see. Then try to launch the game and see if the issue is still there or not. So that's it. Now, most likely after all the fixes, your issue should be solved. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So, thank you for watching, and take care.